Hey guys, it's Jonathan, and today I want to talk to you just about something I've been thinking about recently in particular, and that is the importance of feeding your mind every single day. You see, most people in their childhood and even in adulthood, most of us have been feeding our mind negativity every single day. And I was thinking to myself, most people that I talk to, like literally most people that I talk to, I hate to say it, most people are negative that I talk to. Most people just have so many negative beliefs, even, from the time that they were kids up to the time that they're in their 40s, 50s, and 60s, and 70s and older. A lot of these people, they have so many limiting beliefs, and they just have such a negative viewpoint of other people, of the world, of everything. And I'm just thinking to myself, like, where do these negative beliefs come from? These deeply ingrained negative habitual patterns of thinking, where do they come from? And I believe the answer is that it's what you have been feeding your mind every day from the time you were born. You see, our brain is like a computer, and when you're born, just like a brand new computer, your mind doesn't have any limiting beliefs. You don't believe really anything about yourself. You're just totally a clean slate. But as you get older, your mind is being fed, whether it be from your parents or from older adults or other kids or whatever it is, or even media, even on TV. You start being told these negative beliefs. You start being told in some way, shape, or form that you're not good enough. Maybe you get told that you're stupid. Or maybe not even that. Maybe you just observe the world around you, and maybe you grow up in a community where nobody achieves their dreams. Maybe the people that you're surrounded with from a young age are just very negative people, and they might not directly criticize you and be negative directly to you, but you're absorbing that. Your mind, whether it be consciously or unconsciously, is being fed negative data. And back to the computer analogy, your brain functions like a supercomputer. And a brand new computer doesn't have those negative programs, but when you start feeding a computer negative programs every single day, then viruses start taking over, Trojan horses, and just negative data in the computer. Even though the computer is capable of so much, and the computer has so much potential, the computer will never, live up to its full potential if it has viruses and just all these negative programs on it. Same thing with your brain. You see, you as a human being, you have so much potential. You have the potential to create anything in your life that you want. But you may have been brainwashed, even though you're capable of achieving any goal that you set for yourself, no matter how difficult that it is. You might have been convinced by your family or by society or by friends or older adults growing up, or even your friends, that that it's just a pipe dream. You're not capable of doing that, and you get basically beaten down psychologically until you basically believe that you're nothing. So if that was you, like it is probably most people, hold on, I'm going to get a sip of coffee real quick. If you're one of most people that grew up in a very negative environment and you want to reverse it, how do you do that? It's actually very simple. And I'm often reminded of a Confucius quote that life is very simple, but we insist on making it complicated. So if you're a very negative thinker, but you want to change that, then that's a great start. But I just want to remind you that it's simple. It's very simple. you can completely 100% reverse any negative thinking pattern inside of yourself with the correct strategies. Now, okay, how do you do it? Feed your mind positivity every day. It sounds cheesy, it sounds corny, it sounds overly simple, but that's it. And as Confucius said, don't overcomplicate it. It's simple. You need to feed your mind every single day. Now, I want to share with you some of the ways that I feed my mind positivity every day. And one of the biggest ways that I do that is through a morning ritual. I have a morning ritual that I do first thing in the morning. First thing in the morning, I feed my mind positivity. I feed my mind, I guess you could say positive data. How do most people start their day? Well, they're on Facebook, they're watching other people live their lives, they're immediately thinking about why they hate their day. But I want you to imagine if you could actually start your day off in a very positive manner. And think about how much it would change your life if the first thing you did every morning is you discipline yourself to feed your mind positivity every day. Now here's some ideas for you that I do personally. So my morning ritual, or not even your morning ritual, but in any time of the day, it could be before you go to bed or just whenever, but you have to do it every single day. Every single day. You can read. One thing I do almost every single morning is I read. I read books by successful people. I read books on mindset. I read books on psychology, or I read a book on health, or any book that can make me a better person and improve one of the 7 areas of my life, whether it be health or finances or mindset, is I feed my brain data on that, and that's going to influence my thinking. Another thing I do is watch inspiring YouTube videos. I also do that. I watch videos on, mindset, or just, different ways to improve my life. Or, another thing I'll do is affirmations. That's another way that you can feed your mind, is through affirmations and incantations, where you say different phrases out loud and you feed your mind that way. So, man, I challenge you guys to do this, that no matter how badly you struggle with negative thinking, if the first thing that you can do in the morning is feed your mind, it will change your life. Now, here's the thing. You can't do this once or twice. This needs to become a lifestyle. If you want to go from being a negative thinker to a positive thinker, go from being somebody with negative habits, and you want to completely reinvent yourself and reinvent your life, then you need to feed your mind every single day. I don't care if it's a YouTube video or a book, or maybe it's a positive conversation with a friend or a stranger. You have to do something every single day that feeds your mind, successful thoughts, positive thoughts. And it sounds overly simple, but if you can feed your mind great books every day, great YouTube videos every day, then you will reverse your thinking the same way that you became a negative thinker. And if you can do that, then over the course of time, it's going to compound all these little actions that you do every single day in feeding your mind. It might not change your life in a day, a week, or a month, but over the course of several months, several years, it will completely change your brain's biochemistry. So I hope this video helps you guys, and I want to challenge you guys to think positively every day and to feed your mind. And I hope this video helps you guys, and let me know how you're going to feed your mind in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas, and if you'd like some more ideas on how to feed your mind, just let me know, shoot me a message, and I'd love to get in touch with you and give you some ideas of what I do personally, and share with you my recommendations for how to feed your mind every day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you're looking for some more epic content on how to change your mindset, change your psychology, and improve your life and make progress every single day. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.